Hey everyone, hope you all are fine and well in these challenging times. And I thought I'll just brighten up all your moods a bit, for especially for those 90s kids who will get some nostalgia when I show you these cards, right? So these are cricketing cards which got published by this was right, the ones which I have here are from Mentos. So you get to collect them when you buy Mentos, and you get one card at a time and you add all of them and make a collection. So they come in different series, like, right, for example, this one is number 4. So you need to collect the entire set to make up your collection. And not just Mentos, these used to come in Centafresh. Big Fun published a bunch load of them, and I had a lot of this in my collection when I was small. A lot of it got lost in due time when either shifting houses or moving to higher studies some way or the other. But I was very lucky and fortunate enough to find this collection after a long time. So that's what I'm going to take you guys today. So in Mentos cards, let's first visit the Australians who are in the, I think they come in the first 10. So you have Michael Bevan here, you have Ricky Ponting, you have Glenn McGrath, you have Adam Gilchrist, you have Matthew Hayden and Brett Lee, some of my favorite Australian cricketers from that legendary team which India defeated in the early 2000s. And then we move to two Pakistanis. I don't have much of them. We have Inzamam and the legendary Wasim Akram. And then we move to our favorites, the Indian team, right? We have right up there Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag. We have again Virendra Sehwag. I think there's a double. Rahul Dravid, Saurav Ganguly, right? And then you have Yuvraj Singh, Mohammad Kaif, Harbhajan, Ajit Agarkar. You even have Dinesh Mongia. I'd quite forgotten him, and I got reminded of him again after seeing this card. Ashish Nehra and Zahir Khan. So that's a legendary lineup here from India. And then I have few cards from New Zealand. Some of my favorites: Chris Gaines, Chris Harris, Nathan Hassel, Stephen Fleming, and of course Shane Bond, right? He looks gorgeous in that black background. So that's what I have here, guys. I'm just taking a step back so you guys can see what I have in store. And what you see here is also old trump card cricket collection. I didn't want to show you everything of it, but these are very miniature ones, as you guys can see. But we used to have a lot of fun when we used to play with them long time back. So that's another bunch, and there are a lot of cards in this one, right? If you look at the case, it shows it's from 2004, way long back, right? And that's something of a bitter nostalgia, that the fun we used to have playing all this. And if you look at the Mentos card, I just wanted to show you guys also the other side of it. What does it show? It talks about Michael Bevan holds the record of the highest batting average at that time. I think right now, yeah, definitely Virat Kohli would be very close. 55 was his average when he used to play. So there are some quirky facts. Let's see what Sachin Tendulkar has to say. Right, has scored 34 centuries in this is way long back by, guys, in 314 one-day years and 31 centuries in 105 tests. We all know he ended up with 100 centuries in both one days and test together. So that's what he says, right? I just want to take a moment here, pause and just say that I really loved when I took these cards back again and went through all of it and thought back to my schoolhood days when I used to collect them. So if any of you guys do have this collection intact, please do share and spread the joy, and please do tell me what you think of this, right? If you guys really like it, I plan to do next one on WWF, but those are also again more trump cards. But do share Centafresh, Big Fun, all those cards with me. I would really love and enjoy and to see those. So keep watching, keep subscribing to this channel so that I can bring more nostalgia to you and your everyday lives, and stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.